most people have digital products sat to application, ebook, PDF, videos, articles, and lots more. But the problem remains, who is going to buy this particular product that I have? You can show right here on the screen. This is my newsletter, and this newsletter is a collection of subscribers, and these subscribers are real human beings who subscribe to my website from this particular website, which I'm about showing you right now, which helps you get people that will promote whatever thing you've already created online, whether it's digital product, website, application, software, videos, article, music, anything you've already created online that you feel like getting people to see it. This particular website, which I'm about showing you right now, can actually help you achieve that. Okay, even if you're a publisher on Astera, on Montag, and you have your website blog running for you, this is going to simply give you more advantage. I'm going to be breaking it down and showing you how this particular website works and how you can actually start. This particular website is a platform where you can get creators, users, audience, and other businesses to promote whatever thing you are doing. For instance, if you have a website and you launch your website on this very website, you're going to see somebody that will actually promote that same website to their own audience. And this is what it says here: post it free in front of 10,000 creators ready to share. So if you're on a specific niche and you have a product, a website, an application in that same niche, what you need to do is simply launch it as a project on this very platform, and you're going to simply see potential users, you're going to see potential traffic, audience that will be able to share whatever thing you promote. All right, the real deal is what I'm going to be showing you right now in this very video, which is going to simply help you retain people that will be visiting your website, the people that will be buying your product or any other stuff. All right, for instance, if you go to my website right here, just for today, this particular website has already given us over 224 subscribers. Okay, and these subscribers are the people that love what we do. They subscribed willingly with their email, which means they now gave us consent to send them newsletter. All right, so this newsletter actually goes to their email, and with that they can be able to visit our website again and see new updates. Okay, that's why you have to simply build a lead magnet that will magnet all the people that will be visiting your website. Okay, so you can give them something for free and they will subscribe. Pull up a subscribe button for them to subscribe willingly, and that is going to simply work for you if you already have a standard fully developed optimized website blog. All right, so if you have a standard website blog, if my team have already delivered yours, you have to simply go over to your dashboard just like this one right here. If you have digital products like ebook, PDF, audio, and lots more, you have to make sure you get yourself a website. Okay, so that's going to simply help you stay more professional. If you are just busy sharing only link to your product, maybe you launch your product on Seller, you start sharing the link just like that to random people, it will not work that way. You have to actually dominate your own community. So what you need to do right now is to own a standard website blog for yourself. Start sharing things for free. If people see that you are sharing things for free on your website, it is going to simply give them the assurance that you already know what you're doing, so they will be able to buy from you because you already have the free package right here on your website. Okay, for instance, this is my own website right here, and each of this content, most of them has my digital product inside of them. Okay, which means if a user is reading and come through a particular section of the website where it says buy this product to learn more on how this thing works, they will have that assurance that yes, this is actually where I want to be. I want to buy this product because this person has already given me clue of what I need. All right, so with that, they're going to simply buy from you. But if you end up sharing link randomly to everybody that comes to your DM, this is not going to actually work. Okay, so what you need to do is simply get your website fully developed. With this same website, you can add Astera in it, you can add Montag in it, and lots more. Right, then come to the plugin, install this particular plugin right here. This is Jetpack plugin. All right, I've already made a full detailed tutorial on how to set this up. Okay, if you don't know how to set it up, go ahead and watch this very video. Okay, and if my team have already built your website, they're going to simply assist you in setting it up. Okay, so once you have this in place, set up your newsletter form, and with the form, anybody that visits your website is going to simply see a form that will let them submit their name and email. Right, and with that, you're going to simply be getting subscribers to your email. So once you have that in place, the second step right now is to go over to this particular website, which I'm going to be showing you right now. Okay, so this is the website right here, and I'm going to be revealing the name of the website later on in this very video after showing you how it works, so that you won't rush out and start making mistakes that are not necessary. Okay, just press the name of the website, which is going to simply show on your screen as we proceed in this very video. Okay, so once you're on this very page, go ahead and click on the post your project. Okay, so you have to sign up. All right, just click on this section right here that says create account, and on this section you have to simply go ahead and sign up either with your Google account or your email address and password. Okay, so once you have that in place, click on I'm not a robot, then click on create account. Okay, so once you're done creating your account, then go ahead and log into your account. Okay, from this very section, once your account is ready, click on your profile. From this very section, click on edit profile. Okay, Then you have to simply go ahead and add your banner image and also your profile avatar. That's your profile picture. Okay, so once you have that in place, go ahead and add your handle, your name, okay, and also your display name. All right, you can go ahead and add bio for this particular page. Okay, and if you scroll down right here, you can add your location. If you want to add location, to add your website. Okay, so if my team delivered your website, make sure you add your website right here. Okay, fully developed for you. You don't have to start using free blogger, you don't have to start using AI page builder. All those things are not really standard website. Okay, if you want to build business professionally and get the professional result that you want. Okay, and if you're not ready to build online business the way it should be, go ahead and start farming. I think that one doesn't require owning a website and all of that. Okay, so once you have your website right here, scroll down right here, you can add your Instagram. Okay, you can get visibility to your Instagram as well, your TikTok handle right here, your YouTube, your Twitter, and lots more. This one right here is when you want to promote other people's product or other people's content. All right, then go ahead and select your niche. Okay, you can select let's say business, you can select tech, we can select finance, you can select. So once you have that in place, you can join some group. Okay, let's say I want to select blog. So if you have a blog, you can promote other people on your own blog. Okay, so once you have that fully set up, click on the save profile. Okay, very much necessary. All right, so after setting that up, the next thing to do right now is simply go to the home feed. All right, under this home page, you're gonna see creators you can explore. If you click on this right here, you're gonna see a lot of creators from different countries that are on this very page. Okay, you can connect with them, you can view their profile and see what they are doing. So right now, for you that want to promote your product, your website, your tools, anything you want to promote, your business, and lots more, what you need to do is simply click on the post button right here. Okay, and you have to simply add the details of your project. Okay, name of the project right here, let's say. All right, then add a link right here, save it, one line pitch. Okay, so tell people about whatever thing you want to promote. Okay, so let's say add this here. The next thing to do is to make sure you add longer description. This one right here helps with SEO, so that your content, whatever thing you are publishing here, will also rank on Google and a lot of that. Okay, so select the category of what you're promoting. Okay, so let's say we want to select newsletter and blogs. All right, so select this one, then click on post project. Okay, if you want to make it better, click on this and add image. Okay, so let's say you want to add featured image like product image, you can select that. Then go to your profile, then select palette vibes is here, then open it. Okay, and the same way you can promote your digital products, whatever thing you do, and all of that. Okay, so once you have this in place, go ahead and click on post project. Okay, you can see right here your project is live. Okay, palette vibes blog, everything about palette vibes is here. You can see this is our tracking link. Okay, if people can actually decide to support me by sharing my stuff and all of that. Okay, we've already gotten a badge already. Okay, nice, we've gotten the badge, that's good. Okay, and you don't have to only post once and expect miracle to happen. No, you have to keep engaging, you have to keep sharing value. And the name of the website right here is CoPromote.com. all right, so this is the website right here. Go ahead and try it out yourself, and it is free to post. So if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel to stay updated on what we do here. Okay.